Hey, food lovers, it's Ria, and today I'm exploring something fun. Something that's not only delicious, but also perfect for those busy weekdays. You guessed it, we're talking sushi. But I'm not just showing you how to enjoy it, I'm sharing some meal prep tips so you can enjoy fresh, homemade sushi during the week without the stress. Plus, we're going to sprinkle in a little sushi fun fact along the way. Ready? Let's roll. So, here's a cool sushi fun fact. Did you know that sushi originally started as a way to preserve fish? Yep. In ancient Japan, they would ferment fish with rice to keep it fresh. The rice wasn't eaten, but over time, the idea of combining fish with rice evolved into the sushi we know and love today. No fermentation necessary, just fresh and tasty. All right, enough with the history lesson. Let's talk meal prep. If you're like me and don't have time to spend hours cooking during the week, then this sushi-inspired meal prep will be your new best friend. The key here is to keep it simple, fresh, and easy to assemble. No sushi making skills required. Step 1. Grab some sushi rice. You want to cook it ahead of time, so it's ready to go. Just rinse it well, cook it according to the package, and once it's done, mix it with a little rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. That's your sushi base right there. I like to prep a big batch of rice on Sunday, so it's ready for the whole week. Trust me, it'll save you so much time. Next, let's talk fillings. The beauty of sushi is that you can use whatever you like, but for meal prep, I'm all about keeping it simple and fresh. Think sliced cucumber, avocado, and smoked salmon or cooked shrimp. Perfect for a quick and easy roll. I pre-slice everything so I can just grab and go when it's time to assemble. Now, if you're really short on time, you can skip the rolling part and make deconstructed sushi bowls. Just layer your sushi rice, top it with your prepped fillings, and drizzle a little soy sauce or spicy mayo on top. Boom, instant sushi without the work. For those who want to get fancy and actually roll, here's a tip. Make sure to have a bamboo sushi mat on hand. It's a total game changer when it comes to making perfect rolls. You can use seaweed sheets for your wraps. And the best part, you can prep your rolls ahead of time. Wrap them tightly and store them in the fridge for the week. Now for the finishing touch. Pickled ginger and wasabi. I love having these on hand to elevate my sushi experience. Plus, they're great for digestion and just add that extra zing to your meal. So there you have it. My sushi meal prep tips for busy weekdays. It's all about planning ahead, using fresh ingredients. And hey, you can even switch up the fillings based on what you love. Whether you're into spicy tuna or veggie rolls, it's totally customizable. All right, that's it for today's sushi session. Drop a comment and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. What's your go-to sushi filling? Catch you later, foodies.